All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Morning, Justin. What's on the menu? Well, actually, funny you should ask. I got a couple of different things that I'm watching right now. Sushi, I'm watching. I just bought a little bit of BLIN, Bridge Line Dental. I didn't go full position. My fill was 706. It could end up pulling back. That's why I didn't put a full position size in there. But that is one of the first things that I've taken here this morning, and we're now up to 731. Okay, let me go ahead and go live on here. Let's see here. Sorry guys, 1 second. All right, good to go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, guys. I want to go ahead and cover the news. I wanted to make sure everybody had a second here to hop on. Excuse the wet hair. Looking like a wet rat right now. Uh-oh, I can't see my mouse. Where's my mouse? Uh-oh. My mouse has disappeared on my screen. Sorry guys, hold on. Hold on, I don't really know what to do about this. My mouse just disappeared. Alrighty, well. Okay, well, I'm gonna try my best here without a mouse to see or to do everything right now. I'm really sorry about this, guys. I might have to restart my computer or something, so you guys might have to give me a second. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. When I'm using unplugged and plugged back in, yeah, that's what I just did, and it didn't work. I'll do it one more time. So weird. Hold on, guys. You guys are about to watch me problem solve real quick. Alright guys, just a second. Hello from Paris. What's up, man? Hold on, I'm almost done. I'll figure this out. I'm sorry guys. Thank you for your patience. I'm not using a wireless mouse. I'm actually using a regular mouse. Well, how am I supposed to navigate this? I might have to just restart my computer, guys. I'm just a quick fix might work. This is really aggravating. All right, I'm gonna shut it down. I will be right back, guys. I can't type like this, unfortunately, so I will be back in just a second. So, oh, there it is. Never mind. My mouse is back. Literally, all you have to do is threaten things sometimes. Okay, all right, I'm done. Anyway, so keep an eye on AAUD. Here in pre-market, it's kind of popping here. I imagine it's gonna run up to $4.28 here shortly. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this again. Gosh, it's always something, huh? Also, everybody on YouTube, good morning. Sorry about that. It's actually kind of crappy because I've had multiple, my monitor last night went dark. So I'm only with one monitor. Well, I have 3 screens still, but now my other top monitor is broken. So, alright, so digging right into the news, guys. And during this session, guys, I will be calling things here in pre-market for potential plays. Right now, I did grab a little bit of Bridgeline Dental, but I also have my eyes on RCAT and let's see, yeah, CETX was another one that I had just watching. It's got unusual volume here, so okay. Right off the bat, guys, Morgan Stanley is going to wrap up our earnings week with the banks. So hopefully, well, I wouldn't even say hopefully, I imagine that the banks will start to rebound, especially after the tumble that they've seen. Will start to rebound and start heading up. It did increase dividends. Some trading profits were down, but overall, most of the bank earnings were rather impressive. So Market is awaiting a second day in front of lawmakers after his dovishness yesterday. Treasuries are higher, futures slipped, and the dollar was little changed. Oil slipped on increasing U.S. gasoline stockpiles while gold declined. Crypto was under pressure with Bitcoin around 32K and Ethereum around the 1900s. United Health raises 2021 profit view after results top estimates. So United Health Group, keep an eye on that one in the next couple of weeks. Beat quarterly profit estimates and raised its full year earnings target as the largest U.S. health insurers reported strong growth in its Optium unit that managed drugs benefits. India's ban on MasterCard to hit banks' cards operation income. India's decision to ban MasterCard for non-compliance with its data storage rules has unsettled the country's financial sector and also will disrupt banks' offerings and hit revenues, payments, banking industries. So it's not like they shot themselves in the foot. TSMC eyes expansion in the U.S. Keep an eye on that one in the next couple of weeks as well. Japan to meet sustained chip demand. TSM manufacturing company signaled plans to build new factories in the United States, Japan, riding on pandemic-led surge into demand for chips that power smartphones, laptops, and cars. All right. PLTR. I'll go take a peek at it here in a second. So Johnson & Johnson's actually been kind of receiving some really shitty news, but they also just recalled sunscreens after carcinogens found in some sprays, and that is going with the Aveeno and Neutrogena brand. I actually don't use Johnson & Johnson products. They kind of weird me out. NASDAQ futures edged higher. So one thing that I thought was really interesting as I was listening to a couple of different videos last night, and Kramer even said this, which I don't trust that guy at all, but he said if inflation's rising, then pile into tech stocks. Well, that's actually something that I've seen is a little bit of resiliency from the Qs or from tech rather than from some of those inflation-inflicted stocks. So that being said, it's something to look at. It's something to pay attention to. I think a lot of people are short on the Qs because their value shouldn't be as much as SPY and the Dow, but it is what it is. Our world runs on technology, and without technology, none of those things would probably be able to be distributed, goods priced, sold. There'd be all sorts of issues there. So, alrighty. So one thing that I thought was relatively interesting could be there's three different tickers I'm going to give you guys as far as movement, and this is just something to be aware of. It doesn't mean they're going to move today, but Arrival, the UK electric van maker, said that LeasePlan, one of Europe's largest car leasing companies, made an initial order for 3,000 vans and will become its preferred leasing partner. LeasePlan has a global fleet of approximately 1.9 million vehicles in 30 countries, and the Amsterdam-based company aims to achieve net zero emissions from its fleet by 2030, and the company has built a series of test models for customers as it is due to launch production in 2022. You're on Live Atlas? Okay, I got you, brother. Yeah, pal. Yeah, that's... I'm hoping to see... I just kind of want to have that move, or the market just kind of sit, and I don't like when it runs up and while it's speaking and there's a lot of volatility, so I'll probably be sitting on cash, or at least watching some of these small tickers or penny stocks. Comcast, the company, said advertising rates and volume on ad inventory is sold for The fall television series rose by double-digit percentage from the same period last year as the parent company of NBC Universal sought sponsors for inventory that included the upcoming 2021 or 2022 Winter Olympics and Super Bowl. I forget which one that is, but Super Bowl in February, and this was the first upfront sales period in which Comcast sold local, national, global advertising inventory together for both traditional TV and digital programming. The company said 85% of its ad inventory for Super Bowl scheduled for February 13 is sold or in discussions, and that ad rates for Super Bowl night ad rates for Sunday night football are reaching record highs. So that could be something that would be a bit of a catalyst. FCX is planning on building a new copper smelter in China's Tsingshan Holdings Group with China's holding group in a local Indonesia unit. We could not speak on reach an agreement, Freeport Indonesia spokesman Riza Prataham said instead. Freeport Indonesia will go ahead with plans to build a new smelter near to existing copper refining operation in Grisalik, East Java. Freeport Indonesia separately announced that it had signed an engineer procurement and construction EPC contract with a Japanese engineering company, Toyota, to build a new smelter as well. So, alrighty here. I think Netflix said on Wednesday has hired former Facebook executive to lead the video games unit as the company ramps up efforts to grow beyond traditional streaming business. Guys, watch Netflix. The streaming giant hired Mike Verdu, who is most recently a Facebook vice president, as VP of game development. He will report to Chief Operating Officer Greg Peters. All right, let's see here. Economic events, New York manufacturing's coming out. We got import, export prices, month over month, year over year. Those are all already released. We'll go over those in just a second. Let's see here. Manufacturing output, industrial production for June. So let's go ahead and take one second. Let's go ahead and take a look at our cues. BP. Yes. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our cues here. Look at our major ETFs, and then we'll go ahead and go over our watch list. All right, so right off the bat, I think we discussed this previously. So yesterday, we had a massive correction in pre-market, and I talked about the potential for a reversal from there. That's what we got. We ended up running and completely reversing, and then bouncing, holding this this level of 435, which is seemingly a relatively strong resistance and support. That being said, we are opening the day at a bounce level, and you can already see that we've wicked off of said level, 434 on the dot. So that's pretty much going to be the level that we're watching for. I imagine that during the speech, as long as everything that he says isn't afflicting yes. So anyway, sorry, somebody was pointing something out. So anyway, below 434, guys, I think that the most reasonable target to the downside for SPY, one of the first ones is just going to be the 433.57 or 55, and then right below that 432 90 bounce zone. Anywhere below that, if bad news was bad enough, then we would probably and more than likely see 432. That's one of the bigger levels that I see for a bounce. Raises price target to 900. Interesting. Okay, so let's go over the cues here.
It's 9 o'clock.
Any swing opportunities? A little bit early to go there. I think you should wait until Powell gets done speaking. Okay, again, really clean and well-established support line right here. I'll go ahead and delete some of these lines, make it a little bit more clear. Right now, the cues were holding this zone here. And I could just probably outline this with a box. So within this zone, the cues can chop. This support level of 362.25 is going to be pivotal for the cues. If the cues break that level, you've got a macro support right here at 361.75. And then you've got a little major support at 360.85. So that's going to be pretty big. And if I'll be honest with you guys, the market looks more prone to move to the downside rather than the upside. So just keep that in mind. The cues and all of their triggers, and most likely we could even make a move before Powell finishes speaking. What do I think of Sophie? I'll take a look at it here in just a second. Industrials. Now, I talked about this last night, and I want to reiterate that just like everything else, if Powell talks and things aren't good, then most likely we will see everything pull back. But the Dow has shown a little bit of resiliency. We did have industrial numbers come out this morning. And we'll go and see if those are positive. I would imagine that we've already would have seen on the chart whether those are negative or positive. But this is one of my favorite usages for this whole ribbon indicator here. Is as it starts to thin, most people are going to assume that momentum is shifting to the downside, which it could just be fizzling out. So what needs to happen is momentum needs to return. And if it can break that level, which is the obvious and psychological level of 35, or 350.50, that more than likely is the whole top of that moving average within the whole ribbon indicator. But if it breaks that level, or even if it moves to that level, you would likely see industrial stocks move with it. So our YouTube is Simple Stacks Investing. Yep, and we'll be I'll be getting off at the 9:30, so, or excuse me, 9:20 off of here. So hold on a second. TANH, Tan Tech Holdings. What do we got here? Oh, okay. Okay, that's moving pretty quickly. And it's gone. Atlas, you watching my screen here, man? Okay. I like this one. This last 1 minute candle has increasing volume. It's only at 120. I'm trying to see if we have any news associated with this move right now. Stupid DTSS. Why is it stupid? That was so fun. Okay, Tantech subsidiary starts accepting orders for innovative driverless and manned street sweepers. No way! Do they give me tickets even if I Even I didn't move my car. Yo, it's so funny because like we're gonna be. I'm waiting for the Tesla truck, but we don't have the car like all the time. It'll be at Peyton's mom's house or something like that. And it's pretty funny because at night we'll hear the street sweepers and like I'll wake Peyton up and I'll be like, oh my god, did you move the car? It's evil. I'll watch this one above 125 or pull back here to this 9. Okay, anyway, so we got the Qs. We got the Dow. I think it's worth taking a look at IWM. So IWM, I think we talked about the H pattern yesterday, how it ended the day at that 218.60 level, which was its previous support. Was going to hope to see a little bit of a double bottom here, which it looks like it's already gapped down. It does look like we do have a resistance here, so don't be surprised if this does bottom out here and bounces back up today. Of course, positive movement from our small caps would obviously help, but and also while I'm talking about small caps, let's talk about AMC really quickly. So check this out. So I think everybody and their mother has had this on their chart. So it doesn't take a genius to chart this one. But I think that I know that there was a gap, right? That gap was at 35.50 and that gap closed and it could even close at 32 even. So if we go look here at the hourly, we are at 31.75. So the gap is more than closed. So watch for a bounce today, and I would say around 33.68. It could make for a decent bounce. Any type of momentum is going to attract buyers into AMC, and it can pick up steam really quickly. My thoughts on space are that was messed up. You maybe shouldn't have taken out 500 million shares on your. But I mean, as a business owner that was super smart. I mean, you just took a trip to space. Why not take some tendies? But anyway, it hit 60 on the dot where they likely had a sell scheduled or something of that nature. And so I think that spurred a lot of downside. And this is something I want you guys to remember in the future is if everybody thinks it's going to go up, it may go back down. It's probably going to, because it's always what people least expect, or what's the most obvious that becomes like the trap. You know, if space ever makes it to space, right? They're going to go and say they're going to 100. Well, not always. But anyway, we are at a bounce level. You can already see I had this marked out, 3150. Space is in need for a bounce. I think that you have a lower time frame resistance right here that you could likely, and you can see that the 20-day EMA here on the hourly is kind of lined up with that resistance, kind of giving me confirmation. But that's a lower time frame support or resistance, excuse me. 908. Okay, cool. So it does look like it could be making somewhat of a falling wedge. So watch for a little bounce today, but more than likely you're going to continue to trade a little bit flat. A bounce up and around 34.25 would likely push you into what would more than likely be a bit of a recovery zone. 35.65, and that's when you can really start watching space for a potential rebound. That is going to take a lot of volume, and it could possibly be another situation where we need a news catalyst. So this is a good level to pick up some, but please don't, I mean, for me, if I was going to buy space, this is exactly where I would likely buy a little bit of equity, even if I had to hedge myself with whatever the case may be. If I wanted to do covered calls, or if I wanted to use put option contracts. So yeah, I see DTSS, Data C. Oh, perfect. It's at a really good level here. Heck, I think I'll take it on that bust. I'll set an order up here. You want to see space back below 20. Cruise lines continuing to fall. There's a lot of articles talking about how bearish things are possibly going to be. I found it quite interesting. NLSB. Pump and dump. So, I actually agree with Manny already. Netflix looks like a damn good trade potentially. I'm not sure where he's taking his levels. I haven't quite looked. But I do see the 9-day moving average, which is around 560, as a reasonable place to take a position. You can see here in pre-market pulled back, strong bounce off of that 550, 547 level. So I do like that one for a scalp, or even maybe depends on the movement, because I mean Netflix bringing on somebody for gaming, man, that's huge. So let's see if anything, if that's big enough catalyst, but I will be watching that one with Manny. I'm going to go ahead and set an alert on this trend line. Again, I think, let's see here. Now, one trade that I was going to take, let's see, was I wrong? I'm glad that I didn't take Microsoft for the trade. This was a reversal pattern here that rejected. It actually ended up faking out in pre-market and is now back down lower than where we would have liked to see it. So in order to see a rebound, which honestly setting up like this, and you can see that I have a major zone here. So if we take a step back here, it's really imperative that Microsoft hold these levels. Now you see on the 4-hour, we have a phenomenal setup, right? We're holding the 9-day moving average. We have very, very good volume. The one thing that is missing is conviction in order to break in and above the 285 level. We've seen a wick to 284.33, but that's the most that we're seemingly able to get. Okay, sorry, I was just reading your comment. Anyway, so going into, where's my H? Going into today, I think that a reasonable level to possibly look at taking a position with volume after Powell gets done speaking is 283.55. I'm not going to force this trade, guys. I will wait all day and set alerts everywhere rather than take a trade and lose money this morning in anticipation. We know that Powell's speaking, so I just urge you guys to make sure that you are not putting too much risk out there. I got it. And just be very careful. So let's see here. Technology stocks are moving Thursday in pre-market session. Hold on 1 second. So DTS Arlo, ARLO. Apparently that one shot up this morning. Yeah, that one shot up big. LTRX. That did not do anything. Alpha. So these are technology. So interesting. All right, back to the regular shit. And again, one thing that I want to remind you guys is that 150 is not going to be a buttery smooth resistance for us to break through in the climate that we are. As it starts, it seemingly, or it seems that the climate, or at least the momentum, is starting to shift. We had what looked to be a little bit of a push to the upside, and now with Powell speaking and inflationary pressures coming in, people are starting to pull back a little bit. What Netflix price target raise? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm not touching this one today as it's only at 149.50 and would need to break that 150 resistance right where its HMA is at as well at 150.10, which is likely where they could fake people out. So don't be surprised if you see a push from Apple right back up to that 150 level. Which, I mean, if you feel like that's a scalpable move for you, then take that one above. I would take that one above pre-market highs or 149.58. Okay. 15 minutes to the bell. Yeah, let me know what you guys are watching here this morning, and I'll go ahead and take a look at it, guys. I'm kind of just hanging out. Hey guys, if anybody bought DOGZ with me yesterday, just cut that. I bought like not a lot, but cut it. They just offered. If anybody wants to short that, maybe, I don't know, but that's they just had a stock offering. I just heard that news coming. Watching the 145 IPO. Have I seen it? No, I haven't. Oh, Bitcoin down to 31? Yuck. Oh yeah, Bitcoin's at a very big, that's a big support level for Bitcoin here. You break this and you will be heading back down to 31K. Let's take a look at Facebook really quick. Okay, hey, that actually looks pretty cool. So let's draw this. Looks like that dynamic support here. Boom. Seemingly well respected. Not sure where that's coming off of. Okay, so I want to say that this looks it looks pretty much like a bottom bounce. So you flatlined here, you've got multiple wicks off of that support, and it looks like it does not want to go down. Watch this one above 350. If you're scalping that one today, 351.65, that's going to be a pivotal resistance for Facebook. Again, that first one is 350.50, and that second one is 351.65, or 351.75, please, or I'm sorry. That's probably speculative, but yeah, actually, no, it's not. So I think that 351.75 level is quite reasonable. If you look at the downtrend and where the whole ribbon indicator, which is just a moving average, is sitting flat at, it's basically going to run straight into that resistance, which will that's likely where we'll see that first initial pop. So obviously Qs need to move. If it doesn't, this turns into a bear flag with a quickness. And I would say that right around 347.50, it could start seeing a reasonable pullback, but 346.72 would be a very fishy area to continue to short. But with momentum and bad news, may be a good play. What is the ticker name for that IPO, Megaminds? Sophie and Cliff is all I'm on right now. Sophie 1850 call, Cliff $30 call. I have see a run in industrials today. Hopefully mining runs too. Cliff Man, so yeah, it didn't go and hit that channel, never broke, rejected. I would imagine if I was in that position, I would likely, below this 2165 level, I would likely hedge myself for a trip back down to 2130. So if you're heavy, VRPX. We got movement on VRPX Atlas. I'm watching this one. Volume isn't crazy. 795 is a 9-day moving average. I'd like to see it close above that one. Sleeping tablets. FXLV. Can I set an alert on something that doesn't exist? Yeah, I can. I'll set it at 18 price mark. Watch FXLV. I guess that's a new ticker. That's F45 Training Holdings. No idea who they are, what they do, but FXLV. Sound like me right now. Or did I say it wrong? I did. Yeah, I signaled in my channel to TP VXR RP last night, right before it reversed. That was a good after hours play. I'm having fun with it, dude. I like pennies.
Good morning.
Gym and personal trainer is what that company good morning, Georgie. Sorry, F45 Training Holding Companies does. Fubo short. Can I take a peek at plug? Yeah. Plug it in. Ooh, plug. Don't dump. All right, let's see here. That one looks pretty nasty, my guy. 2605, or that HMA. It's really oversold, in need of a major bounce. It looks like it exchanged its previous resistance or support for resistance. And funny enough, it's funny how these things work out. That previous, that's so weird. Stock market's weird. Yes, I want to delete that. So yeah, that previous support's turned into our resistance. This previous support's turned into our support. And more than likely, you're going to get a little bit of a bounce here today, or you will retest the 251.80 level, and then from there you may see a bounce. You're at a pretty critical level here, but 24.74 is where plug could potentially go before it sees a bounce. So keep an eye on that one. DTSS moving up here in pre-mark. Is anybody in that? I think I'm going to grab a little bit more of your Atlas DTSS. What should we do if we own some AMC? You need to be looking to maximize upside and downside. So if this AMC gap is filled, you might want to look into using options to maximize your upside, because you're more than likely red. Use some of that capital to use for future protection, as you're going to be dealing with a lot here in the future. I'm in light from 540. Nice. All right, guys, 5 minutes, guys. I'm off. We're on YouTube. Check us out. We'll see you later. All right. Real quick. So, and I need to hurry because I gotta run to my kitchen. Snow, I said to myself, I'll play the head and shoulders. That's perfect. And I didn't, but I should have, because I signaled them my damn self. Anyway. Ooh, Immunex has a share offering. Immunex shares. Keep an eye on Wilhelma today, Atlas. If you're looking at my stream, dude, it has a phenomenal setup for potential continuation here. The critical level for me is 705. 5 minutes left here, a little bit. Yo, I have 12K followers on TikTok. That's crazy. BA looks like a obvious. It's at 222, guys. I can't really believe my eyes, but it still has another level at 220 flat. So this one could be a little bit of a short play for those of you who are scalping. Watch this one to the downside. Of course, be careful. We do have the potential for a retest of downtrend. Hold on, I'm getting news on Apple. Watch meme stocks today, in particular. All right, 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Make sure to take a deep breath. Get ready. Watch VJET, FJET.
Hey Atlas, hey Mandy. What you watching, guys? Netflix? Yeah, watch Netflix, but give us by on the way. Give us by a lot.
What's up, guys?
Hey, bro. How you doing?
Hey. Good.
Bro, that $60 bot in Upwork, they traded good. You remember?
What's that?
$60 bot and
On Upwork?
yeah.
I know, dude, I have one of them. I took profit way too early. I took profit when it was at like 59.
I still have it, man. I'm just gonna close it today.
Oh, nice. What's that worth? Like $1,000 right now, right?
Yeah, around like that.
Oh, should I held it?
Yeah, this like sometimes
What up?
today I'm keeping an eye on Netflix. I'm gonna run it a bit and I'm gonna take a short. Because in the market condition and how is the Nasdaq reacting and the Nasdaq is index of the stocks itself. Like I see, I know the company is gonna run, it's gonna divert it from the market. But at the end, it's gonna come back to the head, and it's gonna fall with that back. That's what I'm looking at. Unless there is like really good volume. If not, today is gonna be tomorrow.
Watch
What? On what stock, Jordan?
Netflix.
Oh, Netflix. Okay, gotcha. Bed Bath & Beyond just had that deal with was it Casper?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Casper. So watch Bed Bath & Beyond and Casper. I'll keep them up on my list.
Yeah, I think Boeing's short below pre-market lows 281.85 or 281.50. First target is 280.50. Second target is going to be 279.75. Nvidia, it looks terrible here in pre-market, guys, below 788.50, I think. Lulu having a pretty crazy bounce here in pre-market. 30 seconds, guys.
be careful when Netflix already filled that gap. So just be careful if you're gonna take this trade, right, guys? It's looking like.
I'm in DTS, guys.
Ding. Round one.
Good luck, everybody. Lulu unusually is seeing that little bounce.
Coca-Cola.
This is Netflix's bounce right here.
What?
Oh wow, Coke.
Right here, it's right at the 50. I'm buying only half size right now.
You're in Coke?
No,
Yeah.
Netflix. Oh, sorry.
I was just saying Coca-Cola. Yep, Coca-Cola. Looks alright. Yep, I'm getting Coca-Cola.
I'm in Netflix right here, live, guys. Well, I'm already at 15%. Oh, wow, I only got filled 2. Oh, that sucks.
There's an IPO CLAQU coming out here.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on NLSP. NLSP.
Why is Nvidia looks like it's about to dump?
It is about to done. Look at it.
I kind of ooh, those puts are expensive though.
The IV just settled on Netflix. Oh man, these contracts are all over the place. It's crazy.
You got to watch which Fargo and the banks is really rad.
I just kind of learned on AMC. AMC is bouncing guys right off that gap.
Remember, guys, Jerome speaking already, I think.
I think I'm taking Nvidia short real quick. Oh my god, I missed that.
Yeah, I'm in Netflix, DJ. I'm back up 8% now. Alright, guys, we're pushing on Netflix. First target is 560. First target 560. 20%, guys, if you're in with me.
Wow, Honeywell. Oh, well, Honeywell's up.
Watch SGOC here, guys. AMC is moving up here, guys.
Yeah, keep an eye on Disney. Just gonna put that out.
Okay, I see it.
Guys, I'm gonna keep my target at 558 on Netflix. I don't like the way everything else is moving. I'm not gonna get caught into this.
Guys, I'm not trading a whole lot, but I am gonna grab just I don't even want to call it a YOLO, but I'm grabbing a $40 call for $60 on AMC. I don't usually trade like the memes, but
Honeywell is pushing pretty strong. HON.
Yeah.
all right. I'm out of Nvidia here, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're right at the 80 HMA on Netflix. I'm gonna go ahead and damn bitch just cleared 557.
Yeah. Guys, watch Disney.
Oracle.
Alright, I'm taking profit on Netflix, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm out right there.
Wow, Oracle looks crazy good, dude. It needs to break that 88, 81 level. Damn, Nvidia dumped. Let's go.
Anyone is still in bed?
JPAL is currently testifying right now
Oh,
for the committee.
look at that exit on Netflix, guys. Dollar drop already off of that 557 level.
Nice.
Right at the 8 main. Perfect exit. We got out.
AMC's volume is insane here.
Thank you, BT.
Guys, yeah.
I kind of want to take Lulu short. Speaking of Lulu, Oatly, what is Oatly doing? Oh, Oatly gap down.
Hey, if y'all look at Shopify on the daily, it looks like we're forming a head and shoulders with like the 4 hour.
Oh, dude, yeah, shop short below what, 1440?
Yeah, I would have took it below that 1450 right there. Look at that drop right below 1450. Damn.
Guys, if you got AMC with me just now, you're up already 35%.
SGOC halted.
SGLC, guys. Ooh, good exit on Netflix. Let's fucking go.
SGOC, yeah, it's moving here.
Oh, let's go, guys.
AMC and SGOC are amongst the top movers. MDIA, also worth keeping an eye on. Those of you watching equity, watch this one for a pop above 866. AMC is still moving up here with pretty good volume here. We got a bounce on NVIDIA. That's why I got out.
Good play, good short. Right below that 790.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that died.
I know, dude. It was good.
I really made it.
I kind of want a short Lulu.
Yeah, man, that fucking 557 level was real wicked. That's why I took profit.
Yo, Ride? What is Ride doing right now? Ride has unusual volume. Watch Ride. I don't think they're gonna squeeze that. It's too soon. FNHC. No.
Alright. Watch that bounce man is talking about at 550 on Netflix, but I think I'm done. I don't know if I want to trade. Things are pulling back hard. Qs are dumping.
Yo, Lulu guys down to I know it sounds crazy, but 370. I'm gonna take one. I'm light right now, guys. I'm not heavy. The spreads are a little wonky on this. All right, filled at 182. Grabbed a 370 put. Ooh, nice fill, Garrett. Dang. Am I talking about something?
No, we can be better.
Look at the NVAX and VAX.
All right, if you guys just entered Lulu, you're up 25%. All right, here's pre-market lows.
Disney. Yeah, Disney. Check Disney.
Ooh, NVIDIA! Ooh, I should have held.
This is a little risky, guys. I'm getting one Netflix here right now. One on 555.
Disney high day and pushing.
Next leg up on AMC here. Beautiful. Up 60% on that entry, guys. RCAT. Watch RCAT here. AHPI. Yo. Atlas, watch AHPI. It looks really good. 718. I'm gonna set an order there.
It's halted, isn't it?
Huh?
It's halted.
Is it?
Yeah.
I haven't gotten that far.
And Disney just made high day. SGOC open.
All right, target broken. Pre-market lows on Lulu here, guys. I'm up almost 40% here. Up 71% on AMC, guys. People are scooping up those calls. Qs, I just got an alert on Qs. I see your Disney trying to hold up. Oh, Qs falling hard, guys. Q's falling super hard, guys. It just hit one of my main levels here, 360.85. Lulu just hit Yep. Guys, 56% on Lulu here, 66% on AMC. Lulu approaching our target right now, looking for a break of 372. I'm out at 370.72.
Disney, man, Disney, keep an eye on it. Disney is pushing as well. Okay.
Enjoy Georgie, you got flow on Tesla?
Woo! Let's go. Don't.
660, 660, 700, or 600, yeah, all max 3, 660, 700, 700, 700, 650.
Alright guys, if you got in that net bounce, we're 12% right now.
That's what it is.
MITQ is halted.
All right, guys. 70% on Lulu. Feel free to take profit. AMC here, wick filling. I am gonna hold Lulu just for one more second. I think we get 370.75 here in the next 5-minute candle. All right,
Hey guys, I'm at that dip buy on Netflix. I'm at 30%. I'm taking profit.
All right. Low of day on Lulu here. There we go. Lulu up 100%. 370.45. Take profit, baby. I'm gonna dump at 365. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, let's go. Sell that order, baby. Sell it. Oh, filled at 271. Let's go. Over 100% play there, guys. Nice job. Anybody catch Lulu? You didn't want to chase. Understood, man. Those calls are inflated right now. They're 85%. I think I caught that. I think I caught that pretty good. Watching AH, whatever that's called. Oof, boy, that was a good play.
Yeah, I think I filled on Netflix. I couldn't sell that whole time.
Damn, dude. So Lulu filled 132 and sold at 271. I'll go ahead and. I'm doing this on the small account.
Swampy, I just got out of that Netflix AI. What? What strike? Georgia, you got it? Oh, yeah, it's going in.
Yeah,
I think you
just
Fuck, I caught that bounce.
Damn.
There.
Oof. I just scalped Lulu on the small. Here's AHP. AHP. Unhalted.
HP, oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alpha Hotel Papa India. Do you guys want me to start announcing tickers that way?
Hey, good old Swampy. You got the VWAP approaching right now.
I kind of want to take a NVIDIA bounce, but I'm gonna.
Looks like MITQ is unhalted as well. I'm not touching these today, but if anyone else wants to.
I am grabbing a little bit of.
Right after bottom buy on Netflix, man.
NVIDIA bounce right here. I wanted to take a 780 call. I was gonna take one. I don't want to take it though.
Swampy, if you're heavy on Netflix, trim out right here. You got the VWAP right here that you're trying to pass. Good trim a few, and then leave a few to your next indicator, 555 level, and then 560. All right, I'm gonna take Tesla with Manning if it gets above 562. I mean 662.
RS.
Carver. Bob, I'm making a move with HPI. Wow, Car V, guys. Car V is going.
Yeah, I just got filled on
Oh my goodness.
Car V's going. How hard?
Yeah, it's halted again.
Does it have options yet?
Car V is halted.
AMC, watch it. Volume is high right now. COHN.
Yeah, that goes off Carvey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, beautiful exit, guys, on Lulu. That bounced hard. Relatively hard. All right, new high on AMC, guys. Of course, Sam. Cohen moving. Did anybody get AMC with me?
Guys, watch Tesla.
Disney.
If I take Tesla, I'm going light.
Look at Jimmy.
Oh God. Oh God. 2343. 2345. Excuse me.
Ride is going for some reason.
Oh, no way. I said that earlier. I was like, there's no way they're squeezing that.
Oh,
I just clicked away. I just moved away from it. What are you watching for Tesla?
I'm in Tesla. Sorry, Gary, you said it regular. Above that 662 level with Manny. We're rejecting 662.5.
Yeah, do watch a firm. That was a nice bounce on the firm off 55 60 or 55 75. Excuse me. Come on, AMC, do AMC stuff.
Alt.
Disney just made high day.
Workhorse is moving. Damn, Workhorse at 12.
Is Disney really gonna rip today?
Apple bouncing, Nvidia bouncing.
And Twitter as well. Yeah.
Guys, target on Tesla is 664. Watch it reject there. Take profit before, if you can.
Q's bouncing pretty hard, going to 362.23. Damn, ride, bro. Should we go look at ride calls?
Go, DJ, get some rock.
Dude, they're 32 cents. $9 calls. I'll grab a $9 call.
Tesla 665. It's gonna come right now, guys. Volume's high.
High day. I got in. And Disney nice as well moving so far.
Tesla's moving fast, guys. If you're in with me and Manny, get your contract ready to sell.
Welcome to Tesla.
And I got shorter right there.
Hey.
But
Yeah, Jimmy, yeah, high day. Disney, high day. Again.
all right, I'm taking profit on Tesla right here, y'all.
Yeah, big volume on Workhorse right now.
AACG.
Man, I gotta take off auto sell.
Yo, AACG.
Oh yeah. ACG guys. Oh shit.
Yeah, oh shit.
Are you in?
I am now. She.
Alright, I'm in. I don't want to touch any of these pennies today because I got a bounce at like 11, but.
Alright, I got filled right there on Tesla, guys, right now. Out.
Yo, the bounce.
AACG is going.
Atos as well moving. Disney, last time I said
Harvey unhalted.
Carvey unhalted.
My bad, Sam. I didn't see your message. I took I don't even know what strike me to 670s.
511. Watch that was L
Yo, Apple guys.
No way. Is it doing it? What did it break? Did it break 150? No. Okay, at 150 now. Rejected. Let's see if it.
Dude, the stock is probably pissed off because I haven't got off the truck and just.
Yeah,
Oh
watch
god.
special
Alright, I checked out FUV this morning. Yo, FUV! FUV! What the fuck?
I'm sweating my ass off.
Alright, guys, I gotta get to workhorse. Sorry, Justin.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Damn, dude.
There you go.
Yeah, workhorse, guys, workhorse. I'm in the $12 calls. Expiring tomorrow. Let's see. My average was 40 cents on the workhorse calls. I have 4 of them.
Alright, come on, AACG, you're holding. Average volume is 126K. Volume right now is 1 million.
There's the going to 185.
Guys, you see that rejection at 150 on the dot on Apple?
Yeah.
That is the level. That was like 135 months ago. Oh. Q Jinx, Jesus, dude. Don't do that at work. Got out of AMC, quick profits, didn't want to chase. Nice. Uh-oh. Hold on 1 second.
Yo, the guy who's questioning Chair Powell right now sounds like Batman. This guy sounds like Alex Jones. I don't know if you guys are listening to this.
We should go to the Monte factory together today. Huh? Just a look. 1 scoop. Huh? She ate the whole thing. No. Alright. T-Cat? Yo, T-Cat's pushing. That's just a little bounce though. I think it's just been shorted into oblivion. Alright, AMC is going to need to break up here. Neg. Oh damn, Neg looks all squeezed. I'd have to take that one above 3250 though. Altereth, A-T-H-E, A-T-H-E, A-T-H-E. That one just got news. Says data demonstrates ATH434 is neuroprotective and improves motor function. MITQ just resumed trading. Above $12, CLNN looks interesting. AMC going for high today here. Watch the wick fill at 35. Ride going to hold and break $9, it looks like. Trying to. There's AMC, baby! Amazon. Ooh, what a bounce. Is anybody at Amazon? DTSS, guys, I didn't enter heavy on that one, but that one's looking, it's got that rejection at 581. Likely it's going to bounce at 443. So if you guys want to cut that one, it's okay. You're in a debit spread on Amazon. Probably not a bad idea. Is nobody else is in AMC?
Oh yeah, well AMC Garrett.
Yeah.
I'm just seeing it now.
Yeah, we're moving. I think we hit 40 today, dude. I'm up 100. Yeah. I'm up 100%. Remember what I said this morning? Meme stocks are probably gonna run. That's probably because the market doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. YVR. Yo, watch YVR, guys. Liquid Media Group. It's pushing out. Or pushing really strong.
I'm speaking with myself, man. I say, why the hell they don't even answer?
Wait, oh no, you're muted?
Yeah.
Yo, what is Liquid Media Group? What did they just get? AMC, baby!
Yeah, might have found the bottom, huh?
Yeah, it filled a gap on the daily. That's why I took it today. I figured it would bounce. Now, what I usually suspect when that happens is momentum will pick up because of the bounce. People will say, "Ooh," and start to buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, start getting more comfortable with the market.
Exactly. Yep, up 112%. Guys, RIDE is moving for high of day. That one I'm about to just cut because it's kind of boring. Contracts aren't moving.
Like NIO, XPEV, all running.
Watch Siri? SIRI? Wait, hold on.
Yeah. Jimmy, $24.
YVR. Yo,
YVR.
Huh?
Jimmy, man.
Jimmy is still going?
Yeah.
Damn, that would have been sick. That one might run all the way up to 24.30 here. I imagine.
I was telling you, Jimmy, actually I was muted.
Oh no, man. Oh god.
They're asking Chair Powell about a central bank digital currency right now.
No way.
LUV and Airbnb moving up.
Hey guys, APOP. I signaled this one yesterday. Watch this one potentially to fill this wick to 442. Doesn't have quite the volume I like. RIDE looking good above 908. Decent volume. AMC pulling back here a little bit. Got shorted at 36.79.
Disney holding up good.
Oh, GPS.
No way.
Gap is moving.
RCAT looks like it's moving now too. Oh yeah, nice reversal.
We played that before.
Yeah, yesterday.
YVR. Just keep an eye on it. We played it before. We played above 2. What do you think of it, Garrett?
What'd you say?
YVR.
Actually, I was just watching that. Hold on one second. Jerome Powell testifies before Senate committee.
Taking comfort to a whole new level. It is indeed comforting.
Oh, it's on YouTube.
And an important but often overlooked characteristic of these immigrants is their youth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 71.8% of foreign-born workers are between 25 and 54 years of age, compared to 62.2% of the native labor force. So, as the American labor force ages, will immigrants, and therefore immigration policy, play an increasing
I think YBR looks
maintaining
looks
a
really
healthy
good, man.
U.S. labor force, therefore,
I'm sad I
a
didn't.
healthy economy.
Senator, I'm going to stay away.
Oh,
from
dude, it has
making
options?
any recommendations on immigration policy. It's not in our wheelhouse. I will say that
Wish is
labor
going.
force growth is one of the two things that
Back
can
up
drive
there.
the top line, the other being productivity growth.
Yo, YVR is
You know,
running
in recent
hard.
years, immigration has been a significant part of, accounted for a significant part of
Kind of
the
what it goes.
Yeah.
workforce.
Well, I appreciate that. I'm not asking you
It's
about
well done.
immigration policy.
I think
What
it
I am
is.
saying is that
Wish, I know you've been screaming Wish.
I was just telling you traded above 2 and like it was under.
Of age or older by 26.
Did you get in YVR?
So while America
Yeah.
gets older, the
Nice.
overall population is growing at a slower rate
Halted.
than it has in almost a century, leaving unfilled job openings in a future American economy.
Guys, AMC, here we go. I'm up 122%.
Whatever that.
I see BIDU called
My own idea, the
Oh,
US
God.
citizenship
190 this
as
week.
a source
NIO.
of dealing with the labor market. Now let me continue on the question of the labor market.
I watched Wish about 10:30.
Beyond Meat.
No shit, they had news today.
And understand
Yep,
what-
they're launching something e-commerce, JD.com, I believe.
Yeah, watch 135.32.
On page 7 of
Yeah, 135.50 is likely a target if this continues to push up here. Guys, CLNN, those of you in pennies, watch this one start to pick up volume here. Ride starting to accumulate up here at the top.
And Hispanics. And these hard-hit groups still have the most ground left to regain. And the
I was just actually speaking yesterday with Mobo about Beyond. And this is a great thing to take it out. And I didn't. I forgot.
Yo, JD? JD? Oh, damn, what happened?
And I think that Beyond Meat and JD
That's the one?
have
Okay.
news.
Yeah, did you take Beyond Meat? It's almost at the target already. 135.50.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna watch YVR when it opens back up. At AACG. Oh, damn. This one's got strong volume, guys, at 435. I think I got a hotkey into this one. I like the setup. That's a strong bounce. I'm gonna take it. 433, 444. Just market me, Jess. 441, okay. Yo, Sneed! Nice job. 9-second scalp. Ready to go. Alright, ANC. You're gonna do it. You know you are. You're gonna go to 40 today. And I'm gonna be up 5 bajillion%. Right?
I see a lot of PLTR called. Yeah, PLTR is running.
Yo, how does a video just go reviral? It kind of makes me feel a little weird that 178,000 people stared at this video of my face. Ugh. YVR, we're not unhalted yet.
Why Facebook tumbling today?
Jamie is pushing.
Son of a. Ride looks kind of exhausted. I think I'm just gonna skedaddle out of that one.
And yeah, yeah. Ooh. So there we go.
I still have a ton of buying power left on the small account. Alright, yo, AMC, let's go! Skirt! MVIS just got big flow. Guys, one thing that I want to say to those of you who are trying to play pennies, or if you're new and you're just playing with shares, you do not have to enter your full size position or put the entire, like when you see a stock moving, or if you know what you're planning on playing with, you're going to want to make sure that you put in a little bit at a time. That way you can find a better average if the breakout pulls back. Right now we pulled back on ATA. The volume is phenomenal. So I mean, look at it, it's bouncing right there. So I mean, I'm just watching for the bounce there, but I can continue to add to that position rather than be exhausted in one move and watch my money go away. Yeah. We're back on YBR. YBR. Yo, YBR has legitimate calls for today for 15 bucks. I don't think it's gonna go that far. Market makers don't want that exercise. Arrow Century. Why is ACY on there? Listen. ARTW. BYD looks like it might try for a wick fill here. AMC $37 call sweep coming in for Friday at 247. Wild. I wouldn't go that far. AAWW announces commencement of trading on the OTC in the United States.
Holy shit, space dumping hard.
Spaces.
Dumping, yeah.
There was no YBR flow. I just saw that it had options. Geez, space. So it did get a bounce, but it's pulling back hard. Damn, Richard said more tendies, please. All right, AMC guys. I'm not liking this setup here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. Hold on. Finger on the trigger.
Well, Leo.
Honeywell, higher day.
Yeah, you called that this morning. Oh, damn. Look at that thing go, man.
Oh, man. The volume on Jimia is really not. And it just broke the high today.
Guys, BYD going for a wick fill. Volume is picking up a little bit. Damn, Jamia. It just hit the level I was talking about too. 2450. Yo, Fubo. Why is Fubo ripping? Or, well, I guess it's moved from 2550 to 2685. So, all right, AMC getting sketchy. Needs to break and bounce up here now. 3709. Not a lot of strength to the downside.
Man, I'm happy that I bought like many stuff yesterday and all the positions they are up.
AMC, perfect bounce. Perfect bounce. JD, as soon as the article came out about it ripping, it pulled back. Honeywell, nice play, dude. Guys, watch at AAME. This one's volume is starting to rise, as well as MSN. It looks like AMC is getting the bounce that we were hoping for. We need to hold this level. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and fill into a little bit of AAME. And by a little bit, I mean a little bit. What you guys do is up to you.
You guys, if you got in Disney quarter off my call, just spread a little bit. It's just make it the new high day as well, and still having a bit of volume.
Oh, you're slap up against that resistance right now too.
Yeah.
Look at that
Did you
4.
get me?
Is that a flag?
It look like.
Look at the 4 hour, dude.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yo, Fubo is pushing high of day too. This one may go to 27.33.
Yeah, here we go. Disney 190 call for 6th of August. Just came in.
Yeah. Oh, damn, AMC, let's go! Oh, man. Kids are getting chicken tenders. What the hell am I talking about? Getting chicken tendies today. Let me know if you have too much tickets. Got you, Sushi. I will do, man. Thank you. I appreciate you. Alright, we gotta hold this high of day on AMC or they're gonna short it and it's gonna fall. It's gotta bounce here. Send it. Yo, Walt Disney above 185. Watch YBR here, guys.
Workhorse high of day.
No shit. Did Ride end up moving? Look at Ride. Starting to try and go again. It can't break 911 though.
911.
Yep. Space absolutely dumping right now. Oh my god, watch Space, dude. Are you shorting it?
Little bit, not much.
I just grabbed a $30 put YOLO for today, for fun.
Oh, the brand. $30 bot.
I want to short Amazon so bad.
Netflix to the downside, nice as well, was nice.
Stop raising the ask.
Yeah, I'm watching Beyond 2, big stepper.
Yeah, let me know when you get in. I will get in Beyond as well.
On BYND?
Yeah, I will get in with you as well.
Okay.
Alright, I'm out of AMC, guys.
Yeah, I think with the rejection, most of the stocks just rejected, coming down a little bit. Most of them.
Yee!
And see $36 pot.
You're a $6 pot.
Your space should be green. Isn't it?
Yeah, Space is green immediately.
Yeah, nice. PRPX volume.
Yo, Netflix to the downside, yo.
NVATS 150 pot for the 20th of August, 1.8 million.
to short Netflix here, but this is a very obvious bounce level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like somebody's been wanting to short Netflix like over and over again.
Honeywell, new high.
Yo, Liquid Media Group here. YVR. Going for
You're
high
in?
day again.
You're in?
Yeah, I am.
Good.
Oh, Beyond Meat looks like it might be reversing.
Gotta
Not
be
just
We'll
careful.
see though.
the tickers, like, most of the tickers.
Oh, come on, YVR. It hit its HMA and reversed.
So the view
Wait, what?
from the volume is not there.
Why is solventless?
Have stop loss. Shorts are trying with YPR.
Yeah, they're trying. I'm trying to just buy a little bit more.
Probably it's Mataz. that
Perfect
also-
TP on ride, dude. And AMC. AMC pulled right back off that trend line. Beautiful.
$42 pot for next week.
See if it works now.
Yo, Honeywell.
Diz on the 5-minute? Yeah, sure.
Honeywell's crazy right now.
I don't like it. I really want to short Netflix. Ugh. Hold on, let me go see.
You still didn't short it?
No, I knew it was going to bounce there.
I think. I
Watching
think it will go a little bit up here. Netflix.
Microsoft to the downside, that doesn't surprise me. Oh yeah. Be very careful.
Yo, Honeywell is strong right now.
Is it?
Yeah, I grabbed 230, 250s for tomorrow. Up 30%.
Look at TT. It's not moving yet. They don't like.
Whoa, it's just running, man.
Dude, great
What's
job
up?
on Honeywell, dude.
No, anyone.
Oh yeah, Honeywell. Yeah. What was the news they had?
I don't know.
Dude,
I know.
that's what I didn't take.
Anyway.
Okay, they had news.
All right, YVR guys, moving back up here.
YVR looks good.
Yeah, that was nice, guys. Good push. Yo, nice hold. All right, 250. Look for 250 here on Honeywell. Or excuse me, now I'm staring at Honeywell.
Garrett, can you just take a look for me at QFIN?
QF.
IN.
IM.
IN, November.
Oh, hot diggity.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
360
Okay.
Digitech.
All right, I'm pulling
Yeah,
up Netflix.
I signaled it last time in the group around like
Hey.
25 something, 26.
Guys, I'm looking at shorting Netflix here.
And I think I want to add more to get that the gap fell.
Guys, I'm tight stop loss on this, all right? I am not in yet.
And it's back above the view out.
Order up. Filled. at 135 on Netflix. Guys, fingers on the trigger. I'm not playing with this one because I'm well within profits today and I don't want to risk them. In light. All right, let's see another leg down here.
Facebook looked like shortable.
YBR just hit 250.
Nice.
Yeah. Watch the ticker DUOT. Duot. Did I do that right?
Damn, Oracle just completely reversed.
Yo, YBR, let's go! Nice job, guys. All right, Netflix going for low of day here, pulling up the hourly. 5, okay, here's the 5. Target 347. Up 7% here on Netflix, nothing crazy, but wanting to see a break of low of day here. Low of day is going to be 547. Oh, nice. Nice. Should I buy more YBR? Sounds like I should. All right, come on, don't you do that, Netflix. No. If it bounces here, guys, that's it. I'm out. I'm not gonna hold. I'm not doing. Nope.
Someone bought Bingo $6 call for today is a Friday.
Yeah. Watch 347.30 on. You said today is Friday. Yes.
For today, man. Someone playing Bingo 0DTE $6 call.
There's Netflix, guys. There we go, Netflix.
Yeah. Airbnb just reversed hard as well. But,
can it lose that much? Guys, target is on a 545 on Netflix to the downside.
Damn, are you shorting Netflix? You know, we spoke about it yesterday. I told them I'm looking to short Netflix tomorrow.
Ooh, space!
Nice, damn.
30% on. Ooh, damn.
Nice. Yeah, nice.
Thanks for the backup. All right, there we go. 37%. If you guys got that far, I got that 340 clip, guys, because I'm in a small account.
Bye, Netflix.
Die.
You know, like when the
Pal saying that the Fed is not comfortable with inflation over 2%.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He says it would be appropriate for the Fed to react on high inflation.
Yeah, and Spire acted good as well.
Oof, damn it. Little bounce on Netflix here.
Yeah, let's cut by VR.
Qs are dumping, but trying to hold the 360.75 level. I don't like it.
Garrett, Baba next week, 210 call, 1.4 million. Just came in.
Baba? Damn. Guys, don't let your green positions go red, alright?
Yeah.
Make sure you're TPing or trimming if you're heavy. Alright. I'm looking for one more leg down here on Netflix. I don't know. I'm hoping I don't bounce here. I think we might bounce. Hold on, let me see. Volume isn't. Yeah, I don't. Fuck. Could just be a relief bounce. I'm out of the money, so it's going to be a little bit more choppy for me. But.
I just trimmed some YVR. I don't want to keep it right big.
Alright, I still have a little bit, so. Watch.
Yeah, INO, just Atlas Signet is go like high volume, but I prefer to wait for next Uganda to see how it's gonna react. INO.
Yo, watch MSN 142.
ENSM.
MSN, yeah. It's at 142 right now. It might be one of those other. Just keep an eye on it. One of those other short squeeze candidates. Guys, if space breaks low day 31.50, we're probably going to see 31, or maybe even $30 today. All right, Qs did bounce, but they're not holding that bounce quite yet. If it V-shapes from here, I'm going to get blown away. All right, Netflix approaching low, previous low, previous candles low here. What's up?
MasterCard and Visa, they are holding up and they are moving. MasterCard, Visa. Okay. In which sector they are is fine. Let them check the balance.
Alright guys, I gotta hop off. Yeah, I probably won't be back till tomorrow, so have a good day everyone.
Alright, man.
You're going to party, yeah?
Nah, I have a doctor's appointment actually.
Okay.
A health
Yeah.
party.
Alright guys,
Alright, man. Have a great day. Thank you.
peace.
The financial sector, it's like, I think it's a rotation to financial could be.
Yeah.
Like, look at the banks, look at MasterCard and Visa, they are all like up and like they are holding. Like, check Bank of America, Welsh Fargo as well, MasterCard, Visa, let's see, SPU. Okay, not bad.
Alright. Guys, above 247, I'm gonna. If you're in options, it might be a good idea to cut there, but it's still holding bear. It's holding the 9. It needs to reject it. The only thing I don't like is usually when something breaks support, it needs the 9-day moving average close behind it.
Look at this one, Atlas.
Here you go, Netflix. Plug. Yo, YVR here, moving back up, guys.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Okay.
Alright, come on, let's do it, Netflix. Let's die. Alright, here we go, Netflix. Come on, break that, break it, break it, break it. Woo!
It didn't say plug.
Yeah, he said plug. Hold on a second.
I didn't say plug.
Oh, wow. Netflix broke its pivot point today.
I didn't say plug. Just take it easy. I said don't swap.
Oh. Guys, 53% on Netflix here, making a new low. made you some content.
Yeah.
Ooh, Netflix, let's go.
Don't troll me too much. Yeah, Max got Netflix to the graduate. Down, more.
Nope.
It's fun, yeah, it's fun. You see those they run without us.
Dude, 545 is a big level for Netflix. I'm trying to debate whether I hold this cheap, out of the money contract, or I think we bounce here, man.
You know, Netflix at the day it touched the upper Bollinger Band and rejected. At around 557.67. Wait, Netflix earning is next week.
Yo, nah, never mind. That was stupid. Qs are bouncing. Look at Qs. Yeah, I gotta get out of Netflix, I think. It's bouncing off to yesterday's pivot. Let's see, do the Qs reject 262? Because right now Netflix isn't really moving heavy. Space trying to bounce at 32.
Facebook was easy short today to the downside.
Yeah.
Give me a bounce nicely. Yeah.
Yep, everything's bouncing here.
You Airbnb with this candle?
What is the flow for Netflix?
About
Yeah, Netflix is cut.
yeah, Apple bounced nicely as well.
Space?
Yeah, birthday. Okay. This is what you call it, that cat bounce, you know?
Yeah. There's not much volume on the bounce either. Yo, look at CNET. Atlas, watch CNET. CNET. I think I want to fill here. I do want to fill here. Georgie, will you please make Netflix go down more? Netflix.
Netflix.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. What's that then? You got on the Apple bounce? Oof. Hold on. What? Okay, never mind. Heard. All right, Low of Day approaching on Netflix. Diamond Hands. All right, come on, break. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. Low of Day, give it to me.
You know, it's approaching fifth level, 54421.
Yeah, I mean, 545 is a big number for Netflix.
So, will meet is pumping CLN.
CLN.
CLN, yeah.
What?
He just tweeted about it. CLN and most shorted stock according to Market Watch, he said.
MOVE, nothing. AACG, bouncing. 2 minutes and 25 seconds for this candle on Netflix to close bearishly for me, or I'm probably gonna skedaddle out of here.
Okay.
Q's going for low of day, so that should put they pushed Netflix down here too. 244.75.
Bro, Amazon dumping.
Who? Amazon?
Yeah.
No way. That sucks because I definitely wanted to be a part of that.
No, but the dump more. But Jimmy are holding up good. I think I should send thank you letter
Ooh,
for
Amazon looks so bad. You look so bad, Amazon. I'm gonna short your options.
Okay.
Oh, you're expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be up on Netflix, right?
Oh
You
yeah,
are
yeah,
better.
definitely up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, Netflix or Amazon is expensive, boy. Woo! Let's go. Netflix.
Okay, Amazon Law of Day.
Ooh, Q's low of day. Q's low of day. Let's go. Anybody in the Netflix short? That was dope. That was Georgie's brainchild, apparently. I'm just.
Bro, I prepared it from yesterday to short Netflix.
So
I told everyone and when we were speaking in the night, me and Manny.
You crushed it. Now, please tell me we're gonna see 340. I don't want to cut this and go in the money. Yo, 716, 560 calls all coming in, stopping.
I hope no one in Netflix down in the group.
Yeah, we played it up and down. That's right. Yo, Q's
Wow.
crushing going for 360 here.
Look at Amazon. Bye bye.
Oh my God! If anybody's shorting that, ooh-wee. Shit. Let's go. All right, it's got to bounce, man.
Yeah, I think even Netflix, if you're gonna look at the short time frame, it's oversold at the RSI, you know?
Yeah.
You should get small bounce. Just be careful with the third position. Jimmy, man, it's holding really good.
Come on, man. I tried to cut right there and I couldn't. I didn't get filled. Yeah, we're getting bounce on everything. Q is 360 bounce. Okay, cool, sold.
I saw put flow coming on apps.
Damn, it's gonna keep going, dude.
ABES.
Whatever. Yo. That's badass. Let's go. Netflix is definitely gonna go for this next low, I think. Damn it.
But there is room to go down a little bit.
That's alright.
Nice.
I'm happy with it. That was an awesome trade, guys.
Yeah.
Well over 100%. So that for that one, everything so far green. Netflix bought at 135 and sold at 252. So not a bad way to make some cake. Nine. Here comes some content. Damn it, Netflix! Ah! I know how much those things are worth though when they go in the money, you know? It hurts. Watch Amazon to bounce at 36.50 on the dot. Yo, hey, check out NINE, 9 Energy. I think it's halted. Atlas U2, or else. Yo, what happened to space? I was up and now I'm down. Oh, that's okay. We'll make it a little bear flag.
9. NINE.
Yeah, 9. I think maybe it's not halted, but it's moving pretty hard here.
Apple 144 bot for next week. Just came in.
Netflix? Oh, it's going
Okay,
for
die Netflix, die. For God's sake, die.
Don't
More.
leave without me, no!
More. Yeah.
Baby, come back. Those were supposed to be my
Apple
TVs.
dying as well.
No, dude, these are gonna be worth like $800.
Big tick, bye.
I'm not a 9. I'm watching it though.
I'm not in 9 as well. I'm not. I said doesn't attract me.
Oh.
I'm kind of fussy guy, to be honest. So.
Oh, I'm FOMOing so hard right now. I could have stayed in for just another second on Netflix. My contract would have popped, but I'm pretty happy with it. How's everybody doing today?
Well, very good.
I'll take 9 here. With I'm waiting for this volume to pop here. Fucking A, Netflix.
There is. No, never mind.
Here's Amazon's bounce here.
Apple low of day, yeah, is dumping.
Who?
Apple is still dumping.
Oh damn.
And 145 both for next week, maybe works.
Watch space here with the bear flag. Old Glory, what happened on space, man? To the downside? Were you able to take profit on that, or? Right now, AACG, guys, I bought some of that a little bit earlier, is moving back up. I'm probably going to look to fill a little bit here. Why is my broker not connected?
Someone just bought $40 strike on AMC for end of the month for 235K.
It's not a bad strike, dude. I'm telling you, it's not. I mean, I'm not going to take it, but...
I like Exila bounce. Can you check it? The volume is okay. XPEV, sorry.
It's a small account here, guys. I just connected it. I realized it wasn't connected.
No, I'm not gonna play mine. I don't think I'm gonna play it.
I bought some on the small account, YBR. It's kind of spanking my butt, though.
Nice, bro. You like your Gavi now, yeah?
If you guys want to look, here's my... Let's see where it's at.
Yeah, I think it should be up on 9 anyway. I got it.
On 9?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for volume, though. It's got no volume.
Yeah, but that's the only thing that's worrying me because the volume is still back. I want to see it more.
CLGN. Watch Ride. No, never mind. It's got stupid volume.
I can. Holy
Oh,
yeah.
you know
Right,
what?
just meant how you play.
This thing doesn't show me. Just
wait for it, you're gonna short it again.
Yeah, it doesn't show me options.
Yeah, bro. It's just 9 is running, yeah? What's your position? Yo, I told you, the banks, Bank of America, made high of day.
Bank of America did?
Yeah.
Damn, didn't I call it
push
yesterday? I
first
didn't
as
even
well.
take my own call. How did they do today? Oh, dude, they just ripped.
Yeah.
Whatever. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. I'm hungry. Starving. Let's go get a donut. Are you serious? Nicola is getting good news?
So, you didn't tell me, what's your story with Nicola?
So I got, go to back in the day, send me something. Oh, back in the day bakery? Damn, yeah. You know, I might go to that, the weird cult to go get some food. Mate Factor. Well, there's also a place called Henny Penny next to my house, and they make Sorry, I got news coming in my ear. Ride? Ride. What the hell?
No, your man is pushing, but they're gonna short it.
Yeah, they are. I mean, they've already shorted. I think it might have ran out of shorts, dude. That's why it might be why it's moving. Are you serious? Disney's actually trying to move? Oh wow! Look at it go. Go Disney. Go Disney. Oh, I would short Nicholas so hard right now. But anyway, so that's funny. If you Georgie, type Garrett's taking Nicola in the chat. Just do it and see what Manny does. Watch this. Just put Garrett.
Outside or downside?
Just put Garrett has Nicola. No, don't say downside or upside. Just say Garrett is in Nicola. I'll delete it, but watch Manny. Watch. Watch this. Watch this. Hold on. I'm sure he's gonna say something. If he doesn't, I'll be really surprised.
So he's gonna get on live.
Probably. Disney rejected again, man.
Even at the daily, look like it's making a flag, not just a 4 hour. Atlas.
I think Atlas is on though. Atlas can hear us.
Atlas can hear us.
Yeah, he can hear us. Manny probably just got off. That's funny though. RAND T-Cat? Is T-Cat running again? Oh, look at T-Cat. T-Cat.
Okay.
850.
Yeah.
Try and get that 850, Phil.
The volume is high at the last candle.
Yeah. I just want to see if this works. Yeah, it fucking worked. Would you look at that? Hey, I got two shares of T-Cat, my guy. Don't talk to me. I should have shorted Nicola, but I didn't. I'm actually not allowed to trade that anymore.
Unusual wear for SQ pot. What?
Who?
What $30 pot for SQ in 17th of September? Unusual wear.
That's not right.
Nah. 130 for SQ.
What's gonna happen, dude? Are they gonna split? Oh, what the fuck? I mean, that's super cheap. 917? Are they gonna do a share buyback or offering or something, or keep your eye on Square, dude? What?
Well, anyway, we saw, you remember that Apple $80 pot
Yeah.
for end of year?
Yeah.
The one to give? And he's shooting himself, I think, if he holds it. He held it.
Damn, I kind of like entering my trade station. That's fun. My top monitor is black. I need to figure out how to fix it today. It threw me into a wild depression last night. I'm hella attached to my monitors, bro. I love them. TCAT running here, guys. If you guys got in, you probably got more than me, which is 46 cents. I'm just in my small account right now, goofing.
Not good. Look like.
Dim, are you in TCAT with me here? Is Amazon about to run?
Like that is telling man.
Look at that! I made $1.60 or $2. Scalping in and out on TCAT, cool stuff. All right, good. Bank of America looking to go for high day here. Dim short Nicola. Burn it to the ground. No, I was kidding. Don't do that. It's not a signal. Yeah, no. Look at that. I bought 4 shares, made $2. You can practice exactly the same way that I am. Because if you guys noticed that if you were to rewind that, I had 2 entries, right? I saw movement here, entered there. It cleared and held high of day, and I grabbed 2 more. So you can use that same strategy, right? You have two entries or 2 lots that you want to move into, and that's a good way to do it when you see the right kind of strength. They said they have J Powell just said right now they have tools to address inflation. Watch the market, guys. Watch the market. Yeah, and watch the banks. Be careful on banks because they may pull back now. Yo, watch Square here for a short entry. Hold on. It actually looks good for short. A little bit expensive though, right?
I see snap hold.
All right, guys. I'm hopping in Square here. I'm gonna take one. Hold on a second. I'm going 237.
So yeah, they say OCG of TCAT as well.
237.50 on. I'm grabbing one. I'll grab another as soon as it starts moving down. Guys, TCAT just hit, and hopefully we'll hold $9. We're holding 9 high volume here. You know what?
Watch OCG. That one runs with TCAT.
Here we go.
Nice thing.
I just added another share. Okay, Square here. AABV. ABBV. Little pullback here on TCAT. 1 second here. I'll be right back.